Good morning. It is a bright, sunny morning today. In today's video, I'll be showing you what I eat in a day. This morning, I feel like making a watermelon strawberry smoothie. This is a combination I have not tried yet, so I'm really excited to see how it tastes. I have some frozen watermelon cubes and some frozen strawberries that I just took out of the freezer to just let it defrost a little so it'll be easier to blend. Yeah, let's head to the kitchen. It smells so refreshing. I apologize for that grass cutting noise. I think they're cutting grass in the morning today. It turned out to be a sorbet, so I kind of let it melt a little so I can actually drink it. It's really good. These would be nice as popsicles as well. Yep, this is what I needed in the morning. I don't know if you can hear that, but somebody's fire alarm is ringing. I hope it's not mine. Today I feel like making a tomato bruschetta. I had a tomato bruschetta recently at a restaurant and it was so delicious. It was not your typical bruschetta. It was not just tomatoes, garlic, and basil. Even though that is so delicious, this was just different and just much more complex. Well, that's a mouthful. It had sauteed diced onions with some fried rosemary together with the tomatoes, garlic, and basil. So today I want to try and make it at home. I have all the ingredients with me. I have tried to make it 2 weeks ago and it turned out so delicious. Probably almost exactly the same as the restaurant. I thought I'd make it today again because I'm really craving it. It's been 2 weeks. Maybe you can try it as well. I'm already so excited. I can already taste it in my mouth. Let's get started. I apologize for a bit of motion blur. I'm still a noob at using the camera, but here I'm just dicing some shallots, chopping up leaves from 1 sprig of rosemary, chopping up some basil. I'm not measuring anything because that's just how I cook. I'm dicing 2 large vine-ripened tomatoes, which I've removed all the seeds from. Saute the shallots in some olive oil on a pan. Saute until they're translucent like this. Then add the rosemary and saute for 30 seconds. Then remove from the pan. Add more oil. Toast the baguette until they're golden brown. I add a large heavy pot on top so they get crisp evenly. Back to the tomatoes. Add the sauteed shallots and rosemary, balsamic vinegar, some salt, the chopped basil, and just mix it all together. Mix. Remove the baguette from the pan when they're golden brown. And I'm rubbing it with some raw garlic for that flavor. And I'm topping off with that tomato mixture. Ooh, and look at it in the beautiful sunlight. It looks gorgeous. I can't wait to eat these because these smell so good. Amazing, it just tastes incredible. And this baguette is so good. I bought this near my house and they make fresh, good quality baguettes every day. This tastes so refreshing. I just love fresh tomatoes. I'm going to continue enjoying these and I'll see you at dinner time. Bye. I just came home from a walk and removed all my makeup, so now it's time to make dinner. I'm going to make a stir-fried bell pepper with onions and some steamed sweet potatoes on the side. I just realized everything I'm eating today is red. That was not planned at all on purpose. It just happened that way. Most of the time I just stand and eat my dinner like this in the kitchen. No, I prefer this to sitting sometimes. Ooh, it's hot. These are Japanese sweet potatoes, so they're really sweet, so I don't like to season them with anything. I just like to eat them steamed plain. To me it's like dessert because it's that sweet. So good. Ow, hot. Oh man, that's hot. But it's so good. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Let me know down in the comments what is something that you eat on a daily basis. I'd love to know. I'll see you in my next video very soon, so take care.